ओम शांति। मनुष्य जीवन में सबसे बड़ी शक्ति है उसकी संकल्प शक्ति। संकल्प को विचार भी कहते हैं। संकल्प से शक्ति जमा भी होती है, संकल्प से शक्ति यूज भी करते हैं और संकल्प से शक्ति खो भी देते हैं। है तो बहुत सूक्ष्म बात, लेकिन हम सभी जो अभ्यास करते रहे हैं कि संकल्पों पर ध्यान रहे, तो उनको इस बात की समझ आती है कि कौन से संकल्प करने से शक्ति जमा होगी। आत्मिक स्थिति है, परमात्मा की याद है, अपने स्वधर्म में टिको, अपने घर की याद करो। हमेशा हर एक के प्रति शुभ भावना, शुभकामनाओं। तो संकल्प, ऐसे संकल्पों से शक्ति बनती है। और समय पर शक्ति को यूज भी करना चाहिए। कभी सहन शक्ति चाहिए, तो अगर सहन करेंगे, शक्ति को यूज करेंगे, उससे भी शक्ति बनती है। सहन शक्ति बढ़ती जाएगी यूज करेंगे तो। लेकिन कोई परिस्थिति आई, कोई बात आई,
But if there is any situation and we don't have the power to tolerate,
तो जमा कैसे होगी ना?
so how can we accumulate then if we don't have that power? So this power to tolerate is also a virtue, it's also a power.
करते रहो।
So keep using the virtues and they become power.
और तीसरा है
And
संकल्प।
third one is how you lose your powers through your thoughts. If you are wasting your thoughts, so this is so subtle to understand. So this is so subtle. Only thoughts are the foundation. You can accumulate, you can use, and you can also lose. So you can accumulate, you are using, and you are losing. So now is the time
कि हमको
that
हर संकल्प पर ध्यान रख के
our all thoughts, we have to pay attention on them.
किसी भी बात
We
की
have
याद
to reflect on that. We have to contemplate on that.
बहुत सोचने से हो जाता है
So,
इंसान।
what will happen if we reflect on that, we think about it?
एक होता है
If
व्यर्थ
we
चिंतन, एक
overthink,
होता है
what will
अनावश्यक
happen?
चिंतन।
One is we
ये
are
दूसरा
thinking
स्वभाव बना
waste,
हुआ है ना।
one is overthinking. This is all our sanskar, our nature, how
आपने
we,
संकल्प किया,
if you are, if there is a
देखा आपको
thought,
कैसे ड्रामा बाबा
and then you will see how drama and baba and your
तो
thought
पहले
will
ऐसा स्वभाव
manifest.
होता था
So
कि उस बात को
earlier
सोचते
it
रहे,
used to be
सोचते
like
रहे, फिर
we
सोचते रहे,
keep thinking
भटकते रहे,
about
फिर
anything,
भटकते
we
रहे,
just keep
फिर
thinking
भटकते
and
रहे।
then we speak about it in words. So how many
और फिर
times we are just thinking about on something, but
चलो
now
बाबा को
how
याद
we are
करो,
doing? Oh,
बाबा
if
को
we have
याद
any
करो,
waste
जो
thought or
है
any other thought, if we want to manifest that thought, just remember
तो
baba and
संकल्प
thoughts will
ज्यादा नहीं
manifest.
सोचने चाहिए
So
और
don't
बुद्धि को बहुत नहीं
overthink,
चलानी चाहिए।
don't use your intellect a lot,
हाँ,
don't
इंटेलेक्ट
overthink.
क्लियर हो गया
Yeah,
तो
your
बुद्धि को
intellect
बहुत
should be
चलाना चाहिए।
clear, it should be clean, then
इसलिए
stay
बाबा
calm,
बताता
stay
है कि
quiet.
बच्चे
What
साइलेंस
Baba
शक्ति
tells
जमा
us
करो।
that accumulate the power of silence, accumulate this
तो
power, the power
साइलेंस
of
में शक्ति
silence.
कैसे जमा
So,
होगी?
how we accumulate this power of silence?
कि सोचा,
That what
हाँ
we are
हाँ, ये
thinking,
संकल्प हो जाएगा,
just you know that this sankalp, this thought will
तो कल
manifest.
बात चल रही थी कि
So,
देखो
yesterday we were discussing about, see
बाबा को जैसे
how
संकल्प आता है,
whatever thought
चलो
just
जो भी
emerge.
करना है हमने कर लिया,
So whatever we have done, we have done.
मैं फिर तो बाबा को दे देती हूँ, बाबा अभी
And
आप
then
देखो।
I just give my thought to Baba. Baba, just take care of this.
तो समर्पण की जो बात होती है ना,
So this
समर्पण
is the
करेंगे
feeling
तो
of
बुद्धि
being
को
surrender.
बहुत चलेंगे।
So then you feel Baba will do it.
अच्छा
Baba is
बाबा
going to
आपने
take
कर
care.
लिया, फिर भी
So
संकल्प
then
आए,
Okay, we gave it to Baba. Then why we are just creating thoughts again and again on that? If we have given that to Baba, so for that to put full stop, you need some practice. So that I have to do. That Baba is not going to do. To put a full stop to your thoughts. When we put full stop to the thoughts, so then see whatever obstacles are there. So with help of Baba, that obstacle will remove. So in a subtle form, we need to pay this attention that we have to accumulate powers. At this time, we have to pay attention to accumulate power, not losing them. So for me, if I any thought emerge, I always give it to Baba. Why I'm thinking about anything, give it to Baba. And if we give it to Baba, then if we are still thinking about it, then Baba feels okay, let her do it. But as per drama, how things are happening, let's suppose if you have any thought in the night, you cannot do anything on that, but drama is moving. And Baba is also there to cooperate in every situation. If you have any elevated thought, sometimes it takes time to accomplish, but it happens. So this surrender, what does it mean? Meaning surrender to Baba, and after surrendering, just full stop. So what we do, we don't control our mind. We don't control it. We put full stop. We try to do that, but thoughts in the mind. So Baba always tells us, whatever direction you want to give to your thoughts, you can do it. You have this power. But for that, you need practice. That I, the soul, and I am in this awareness that I am a soul. So that is also practice. So thoughts, whatever time, for how long you want to stay in that thought, you can do it. You can stabilize in that stage, you can do it. So Baba's title is remover of sorrow and giving the giver of happiness. So I'm invoking Baba, remembering Baba in that form, that Baba is remover of all sorrows. So remember Baba, and then give direction to your mind and your intellect towards home. Go to your home 5 minutes, 10 minutes, how long you want to go. And then Baba tells us, child, this confluence age is a benevolent age. Just think about this. And then we start thinking about that. And then Baba tells us, now think about your forms, your 5 forms. Do the drill of 5 forms. Then we do that. That means, that proves that your mind is in your control and you can give direction and you do the practice of thoughts whatever way you want to. So every practice, every situation, and also Baba tells us that whatever situation is there, so you can transform that situation, you can emerge that your stage, and that stage of yours you can emerge in 1 second because you have practiced it a lot. With practice, you can become bodiless in a second. Once Avyak Dada was sharing, like when you have to become bodiless, at that time you will practice for that. No, in 1 second, just create a single thought and become bodiless. I am a bodiless soul. And then you will stabilize in that stage. But with for that, you need to do some practice and keep your chart. I am embodiment of peace. Just create this thought. I am embodiment of peace. I, the soul, is embodiment of peace. Or maybe right now I have to stabilize myself in divine form. divine form. Just stabilize yourself in 1 second. Put full stop, give everything to Baba, surrender it to Baba, and keep doing practice of this. With practice, your stage will be stable. And what will happen with that? Like Baba is Baba is guiding us to do this, and with thoughts, we can emerge that stage. And at that moment, if we want to stay silent, and if we are peaceless at that time, then what will happen? If some words will emerge, or the surroundings or the environment is also disturbed, so that will not become our sanskar of remaining peaceful. So just tell your mind in a second, stay in peace, stay in silence. Peace is your innate sanskar. Peace is your original sanskar. So just create these three thoughts in 3 seconds and just experience yourself as a peaceful soul. Just stay beyond. Just go beyond. If any situation comes, go beyond. Create a thought and then just check if you can stabilize in that thought. So sometimes we can do it, sometimes not. Sometimes meaning this is the time of doing it, sometime no. Now is the time where whenever you want, whenever you need it, you can emerge that situation, because this time is so delicate time. And on the other hand, service is also needed. Time is delicate. You have to use your stage, your powerful stage, and you also need this stage, this powerful stage in service. And so you need your powerful stage in all situations, all circumstances, and also in Baba's service. So you need to accumulate a good stock of pure positive thoughts. Your thoughts from our in our words, there should be nothing waste, not even a single. If you have practiced it in a good way, then it will accomplish. You will be successful in that. You will never feel that, oh, I have this thought. I don't know if this will manifest or not. No, if you have created a elevated thought, it will manifest because it has so much of power in that. So what they show in scriptures, that there is a war and they have bows and arrows, and so on one side they shoot an arrow, and from the other side other powerful arrow just come. So that is what is that? Our thoughts. So if someone is creating some thoughts for us, they cannot touch us. If if our thought is so pure, elevated, if my thought is not pure, then I can feel that other person is not feeling good about me, or some kind of thoughts. So today whole day I was thinking, it's not just like putting full stop, it's just not just like surrendering yourself. No, we should also use our thoughts. We should create our stage. We should practice for that. So then our thoughts will manifest, will everything will become successful. We will never feel that our thoughts are losing. So one is waste thoughts, but other on other side, we are not thinking waste right now. We are just thinking pure, we are thinking good, but sometimes it doesn't come in a practical way. But now is the time when if we have a thought, it should accomplish. So we will also feel, yeah, my practice is good, and in this exam I'll pass with honors. So you should think in, go deeper, pay attention, and accumulate all the powers through your thoughts. Okay? Om Shanti.